heck, you're not a pineapple. It is 11:22 in the morning, and Jesse and I have been on the road, driving non-stop, only to break for bathroom, gas, coffee. We've been taking naps in the car and switching off. We've been driving since yesterday, around 5 o'clock in the evening. So we're both a little sleepy, but also super energized because we're actually doing this. We're headed to Mexico and beyond, and right now we're in California at a place called Mormon Rocks. We saw these big, I'm sitting almost on top of one right now, but they are big rocks that are jutting out from the ground. Jesse's down there recording a tutorial. Super rock star. He's teaching snakes to accompany all the little lizards we keep seeing in all the bushes. It's so good. You can see our Yoda home down there. He's kinda right there. I'm always finding little crystals from little places that I go that seem really cool. And now I'm realizing as I'm walking on this earth, every little rock in this earth is a crystal, which means all of Earth is one big crystal. How blessed are we to live on a giant crystal? As I'm preparing to show you all of the little crystals that are just bits of quartz that I'm standing on here, I'm finding pieces of crystal that somebody left on the ground.
Take them.
It's some kind of synchronicity. They're everywhere. See, Jesse just picked one up. I get the sunlight in it.
This is a little bead crystal or a little glass.
And I can't help but think everything on Earth is crystalline. We're so blessed to be part of Mama Gaia.